find worms?
Rat, I win again. You will never be able to beat me at basketball. This is the third time in a row that you have lost against me. I will win the next time. That's what you always say when you lose. Cheer up now, Rat. Let's go and sit under the tree for some time. All right. Good evening, Professor.
Hello, you finished your game?
Yes, we are tired now, so we thought we would sit here for some time.
Rat, you seem upset. Is everything fine?
Yes, Professor. He's just upset because he lost.
Did you see that bird that just flew by? I think I saw a worm in its beak.
Where? It just flew by. Professor, worms are so wriggly and difficult to catch. How do birds find them?
Worms are what birds usually eat, so they know the best time to catch them. Birds usually search for their food in the morning or just after the rains, and worms are generally found at the top of the soil at these times. Birds also have a very good eyesight, and this helps them see worms from far.
That's interesting, Professor. I hope that I find the formula to beat cat at basketball too.
The first stage is when the butterfly lays eggs on leaves. The eggs hatch to form a caterpillar. This is the second stage in the life of a butterfly. Did you know?